Now we have 2 and 1/4 minus 2/4. But we have a problem here. In our mixed number, we only have 1/4, but we need to take 2/4 away, and we can't take 2/4 away from 1/4. So what we need to do here is exchange with our whole number. We can take 1 from our whole number, so 1 less than 2 is 1, but that gives us 4 more quarters, so we can add the denominator to the numerator, and 4 plus 1 is 5. The denominator stays the same, so 1 and 5/4 is the same as 2 and 1/4. But now we can take 2/4 away. We're not taking away any whole numbers, so the 1 whole stays the same in our answer. But now 5/4 take away 2/4 is 3/4, because remember, the denominator stays the same and 5 minus 2 is 3. So our answer is 1 and 3/4. Now we have 3 and 3/6, and we're subtracting 5/6. But if we only have 3/6, we can't take 5/6 away. So again, we need to exchange with our whole numbers. If we take 1 away from our whole number, 1 less than 3 is 2. But that means that we can add the denominator to the numerator. 6 plus 3 is 9. The denominator stays the same, so 2 and 9/6 is the same as 3 and 3/6. But now we can take 5/6 away. So our whole number is now 2, and 9/6 minus 5/6 is 4/6, because the denominator stays the same and 9 minus 5 is 4. So our answer is 2 and 4/6. Now 2 and 1/5 minus 3/5. If we only have 1/5, we can't take 3/5 away, so we need to exchange with our whole number. 1 less than 2 is 1, and that means that we can add the denominator to the numerator, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1 and 6/5 is the same as 2 and 1/5, but now we can take 3/5 away. So our whole number is now 1, and 6/5 minus 3/5 is 3/5, because 6 minus 3 is 3, and the denominator stays the same. So our answer is 1 and 3/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.